In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove someone from Apple Family. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to remove someone or even remove yourself from a family in your Apple account. So, to do this, open the Settings app and tap on your name. When you tap on your name on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, you will be able to find the family sharing option. So, go to Settings, tap on your family, and then you will be able to see all of the members of that current family. Now, if you would like to remove someone when you are the owner of the family, all that you have to do is tap on the specific person that you would like to remove, and you will find the option at the bottom. Not only will you be able to remove them, but you can also find plenty of other settings related to managing their profile. So you can repeat this process as many times as you wish, and you will be able to remove members from this family on your iPhone. Alternatively, if you would like to remove yourself, once again go over to the settings, tap on family, and tap on your name. Now, you will then be able to find the option to stop using family sharing, and this does the exact same thing. It is going to remove you from the family. You can also do this process on your Mac, so you don't need to do it through your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. All that you have to do is open the Settings app, choose the appropriate menu, so go into Family, and you will be able to change the settings from there. Repeat this process as needed, and regardless on if you are the guardian of the family or if you would like to remove yourself, you will be able to get this process done. The family organizer can remove anyone over the age of 13, and you can even transfer a child to another family by doing this option. And make sure that you find the option to remove them when you go inside of the menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove someone from Apple Family. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.